Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change city name in Last Sea Survival Shooter. To change your city name in Last Sea Survival Shooter, start by opening the world map where your current city name is displayed. For example, it might show as user 16 if it's a new account. To edit it, tap the top left corner to access your profile, then select the blue edit button on my profile section. Here you can type in your desired city name, press the free button to confirm. Keep in mind that this free name change only works once. Subsequent changes will have requirements or costs. After changing it, double check that your new name follows the game's rules for length and characters to avoid errors. Once confirmed, your new city name will update on your profile and also appear on the world map. For instance, it might now read Kitty Kitty, and other players will see your updated name immediately. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.